Cheers everybody. I'm going to show off my new grain milling apparatus. But first I'm going to have a drink of this smoked brown ale. Here goes. Oh yeah, that's good. I'm ready to grill. I mean drill. I mean grind. I mean mill. Like a Dr. Seuss story. What we got here is a bunch of grain. And what we have here is a grain mill called a barley crusher, which, as the name suggests, is what it does. It crushes barley and other grains. This is my homemade hopper. The hopper that came with it, I had to remove it so I could travel with this in a suitcase. Wish I hadn't done that, but I was able to make this work with a little bit of tape and a sawed-off, like 3 or 4 liter shochu bottle. Shochu, that's a kind of Korean hooch. Okay, so let's put some grains in here first. See how much we can get on the floor. Now, this is just my first time using this, so I really don't know how well it's going to work. But let's just give it a shot and see. Oh, well, let's try tightening it first. Alright, I'm going to burn out the motor if I keep doing that. So, okay, we're going to try this again a different way. Yeah, that's how you got to do it. Alright, the secret is not starting out slow, but starting out full bore. There's a reason for that, but I won't go into it now, because I don't really know. Okay, so let's fill this up with grain and see if it can handle a bigger load. This means that all my troubles are over and life is grand. Okay, here we go. Well, I don't smell smoke, so that's a good sign. So anyway, here's my new drill and my new saving me some trouble from cranking thing. So thanks for watching.